Hey everyone, here we have another budget device from Infinix, and this is the Infinix Smart 2 smartphone, which is an entry-level device from the brand Infinix. The key highlight of the device is that it has a 18:9 tall display, a dual VLD support, and also features a face unlock. Here we got the retail unit of the Smart 2 device, and let's unbox it and see what's all inside the box. First thing, inside the box we have the Infinix Smart 2 device in sandstone black color variant. It's the same color variant that we've seen in the previous Infinix devices. It has a matte finish and it's comfortable to hold. On the right hand side we have the volume buttons and a power rocker button. At the top it's all plain. At the bottom we have a micro USB port and a 3.5 mm jack. Next, inside the box we have a micro USB cable to charge the device and a wall adapter to charge the device. The adapter is rated at 5 watts and 1.2 ampere output. Now let's just simply turn on the device and see what all it has to offer. The Infinix Smart 2 has a tall display. It's a 5.45 inch HD plus display with an 18:9 aspect ratio and a 83% screen to body ratio. To power the device, we have a MediaTek MTK6739 64-bit processor that's clocked at 1.5 GHz and is a quad-core processor. The device will be available in two storage variants. One is a 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, and another one is a 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage. The back of the Infinix Smart 2 device can be opened up, and when we open the bag, the only thing that's accessible is the 2 SIM card slots and a 1 micro SD card slot. The battery and rest everything is sealed packed inside. Both the SIM cards feature a dual VLT support where both the SIMs can support the VLT at the same time. The micro SD card slot can house a micro SD card up to 128 GB. To power the device, we have a big 3050 mAh battery. And talking about the cameras, another highlight of the device is its selfie camera, which is an 8 megapixels camera with a dual LED flash support and f2.0 aperture that can click good selfies even in dark conditions. Talking about the rear camera, it's a 13 megapixel rear camera with dual LED flash, f2.0 aperture and face detection autofocus. Altogether, the Infinix Smart 2 device is a direct rival to the Xiaomi Redmi 5A smartphone. Both the devices have similar specifications, and the only difference being that the Infinix Smart 2 features a dual VLT support and has a latest Android operating system, that's Android 8.0 Rio. All in all, the Infinix Smart 2 device is a perfect competitor to the Xiaomi's Redmi 5A smartphone. Both the devices have similar specifications and are expected to be priced at the similar price range. The pricing of the Infinix Smart 2 is not yet unveiled at the time of making of this video, but would be somewhere around 5,000 to 6,000 Indian rupees, which directly competes with the price of the Redmi 5A. But the only difference being the Infinix Smart 2 features a dual VLT support, a tall 18:9 display, and the latest operating system as well. That's all it, and thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more such videos.